Hi guys, so to get started on this week's design we're going to do these rainbow tips. I've used a French smiling stencil and then we're going to paint it white. So now we're going to do the sponging. So as you can see, I've given this a little bit of time to dry and the stencil is still on my nail. With the makeup sponge we're going to apply 6 colours, and as you can see I've tried to do the lines as small as possible. Moving on now, you can see that we're going to do some abstract, so we're needing a black and a white striper. I'm going to do 2 lines of each colour. They're going in different places and I'm just making them up on each nail. Next we're going to do 2 rows of dots. As you can see I've done one in black and one in white, and once more we're just going to do them wherever we want. Lastly, I'm going to apply a scattered hollow over the top of my nail.